Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Still working on the D100 and got some Dynamat in today, so check it out. Zoom out here. Okay, so I ordered from Summit some Dynamat, right? So noise and vibration control under control. What's crazy is the factory's kind of already thought about that before, so they got this factory pad in here. Look, it still has the marking on it. Isn't that crazy? So anyway, I mean, look how original that is. So that's what's got me thinking I shouldn't tear this out. I should just add, to it in areas that don't have any, like over here where it's just bare metal. Yeah, I'll play with you in a minute. I know, Bobby. Alright. And then keep the factory sound deadener, heat shield, whatever you want to call it, stuff in here to keep the truck, more original. I know it's hard to see in here because it's dark as hell in this garage. But I think maybe I'll just put the Dynamat over here where it's just bare metal, and then I'll put it on the back up to this edge right here, and just show you what this stuff looks like. It's just a roll of what size does it come up on? Maybe I got it on the back side, but it's just a thin rubber mat that has a sticky back to it, like a big old sticker, and you just roll it on with that roller, obviously, which you could probably use like a bakery roller. You probably wouldn't have to buy one of those, I wouldn't imagine. I just bought it because the wife's going to kill me if I use one of her bakery rollers, and I don't want to go to the store and try to buy one, so I just bought that one. They're like 18 bucks. Yeah, the truck's pretty clean, pretty original, all original, really. That's original paint there. Floorboard over on that side, which I showed you when I pulled the carpet out, but just to show again. And I'm gonna Dynamat. I think I'm gonna Dynamat up to this edge right here, just because it'll keep it, sounding a lot better when I put some speakers back here, because I'm gonna want to put a sub box back here, kind of throw a little sound in here if I can. So yeah, I think that's what I'll do. You can't always just peel this stuff right back off, I don't know if it ruins the paint, but it would come back off at least. So no harm, no foul, and I'll probably never pull it off because it'll keep the heat out, first of all. Not like there's a lot of heat coming from the back, but there's going to be a lot of heat coming from that floor, and a lot of sound, so it's just going to make it a lot more solid, of a vehicle. I'll put it on the doors too. If I got any left, I'll take the door panels off and kind of lace the inside of the door panel with it. And carpet should be here tomorrow or the day after. So then I'll lay the carpet in here and put the seat back in. Take that door panel off over there and see if I can paint it. It looks a little bit lighter than the dash anyway. Can't really tell in this lighting, but yeah, that's looking like, I don't know, nasty, so it's got to go. But anyway, that's what we're up to. Just working on the D, baby. this carpet I ordered from Auto Custom Carpets. So we make these. Pesci, grab the other side, buddy. Alright, come on up. You gotta get out for a minute. Maybe you don't, I don't know. Let's see if I can get this thing in by myself. If I try to move this light out of the way. All right, you grab the other side, okay? All right, you got that side? All right, we got it. All right, get your side. You got it. Coming your way, big boy. Oh, good job, dude. All right, so we got the seat in. Now we just gotta line up the bolts, okay? All right, you're gonna have to get off the seat for a minute though.